So hello guys, welcome back to the weekly analysis of some stocks which I am going to discuss with you. So the first stocks which I am going to discuss with you is ACL Tech. See the ACL Tech, it is now at the ultimately it is now trading at the resistance zone. Okay, so only we can initiate our trade above this 1848 above 1150 level above. We can initiate our trade, right? And the target that we can expect from ACL Tech, it is this swing high. This is coming around 1204 or the round of 1200 levels, right? And above this, we also can see we have to ready with the levels. So above that, the 1271 will be our the next level that we can expect from ACL Tech, right? And similarly, what could be our stop loss? Our stop loss will be, so this week the low of these candles, this week's candles low will be our stop loss, and it is coming around the level of 1108, right? So this is the stop loss for ACL Tech, and we also can use the 15-day moving average. Yes, no, 15 days moving average, it has taken very good support, but if you take the moving average stop loss, then our stop loss will be very big. So we don't need to consider the 15 days moving average here. So we can simply, according to the price actions above 1150 levels, we can initiate our trade. Our target will be 1204. The next target will be 1271. Or you also can book partial profit over the area. We have to shift our SL, and this trend line also can help us to trading our SL, right? It has taken support here, then also taken multiple support from here, and now it is trading at this area, right? So above the breakout, we can initiate our trade in ACL text and all the target which I have mentioned here, right? Similarly, we also can use mark level also can. So this is the level for ACL tech, right? And the next stocks which I'm going to discuss is Infosys. See Infosys, you can see it has corrected from the top, you know, almost 50% has corrected from the top, and it is now taking resistance of this trend line. Okay, but what happened in last 2 to 3 weeks is after giving the totally gap down opening, it is a very good gap in this area. It is now make from last week it has made inside candle patterns, right? So inside candle patterns, if we quickly mark the high and also the low of the candle, right? So we can play above the breakout or below the breakdown. So I am expecting the breakout, in Infosys. It is actually oversold, right? And similarly, it has also taken support from the if it has given breakout of the 200-day moving average, right? So above this 13,004 level, we can initiate our trade, long trade in Infosys. The first target will be 1331, and the second target will be the gap which we have here, right? So yes, and our stop loss will be this candle's low, today's candle, this month's candle low, or you also can use a 200-day moving average. It will be much better as a in the support of the stop loss, right? And also similarly, if we draw the levels like this, if we draw the levels like this, then yes, this is for Infosys. And Infosys and ACL Tech, you can pay anyone of it, right? And the next stocks which I am going to discuss is the JSW Steel. See the JSW Steel. Let me also remove the EMA. So the JSW Steel, it is now consolidating at multi-time resistance area. You can see that in this area it has taken multiple time resistance, right? And we can play it is 1 2 3 4 5 times resistance it has faced. Now it is moving towards breaking the resistance levels, right? Similarly, above this 776 level, we can initiate our trade in the HCL Tech, and you also can draw a trend line from the bottom, right? It is acting as a very good support. Sorry, the JSW still, I'm taking the wrong name, sorry for that. So this JSW still, this trend line also acting as a very good support, right? So above this 776 level, we can initiate our long trade, and above this, we can get a very good up move from here. And our what could be our stop loss? First decide the stop loss, then we will go for the our target. Our stop loss could be the most possible stop loss, and 749, right? 749, below this, if any candle goes, we can say for the time it can take resistance. Below this, market can came to the can support to the from this trend line as well, right? And below this trend line, if there is breakdown, right, we can get selling opportunity further from here as well. So above 776, we can initiate our long trade, and what could be our target? The target could be if we draw the consolidation area from top to bottom and initiate it here, the target coming around 900 levels, right? This is a weekly basis analysis. So yes, it will take some time, but if you stick with our strategy, with our plan, then we can get a chunk of money from it, we can make chunk of money from it. And between these levels, we have used the trend based fib retracement, because it is the multi, if it is given breakout, it is all time high, there is no such level. So this is the levels where market can take resistance or can face resistance, and in this level you can book some profit as well. See, I have marked this 900 level around. See, also it is, according to trend based fib retracement, it is also taking rejection from there. Okay, so this is the analysis for GSW steel. We also can draw the levels like this as well, right? So yes, like this, and our stop loss is 748, and now have the breakout, we will initiate our trade. Okay, so the next stocks, which is also from the metal, that is the cement sector, that is the Ultratech cement. See, Ultratech cement, it is, you can see that it has given already given breakout, right? So Ultratech above the breakout area, see, white 127 was the breakout area of the Ultratech cement, right? And now it has also taking some rejection from the 18437 level. If I also mark the high, right? So above 8422 level, so we can initiate our long trade in the Ultratech cement. And similarly, Ultratech cement, you also can draw trend line from the bottoms like this. This is a trend line, which Ultratech cement taken has taken some support, and above this trend line we can initiate our trade in the Ultratech cement. Our stop loss could be this trend line's low, that is 1800, sorry, 8000 to 8127 will be our stop loss, and above 8427 we can initiate our long trade. And the levels that I am expecting, it is around, see, there are two way you can find levels, that is like this. If we draw this above breakout, so the levels are coming around 10,000, around 10,000. So say this is the all time, like it will take multiple weeks to reach that level if all the our overall market support. But we also use can trend based shift retracement, by which you also can book partial profit in this, especially 92225 area. And further we can shift or resell, or we can go for further long movement, that is coming around 10,359. This is the for ultimate target for Ultratech cement. And we also can mark the level by this. This is the level for Ultratech cement. See, whatever stocks I am discussing, see, our stop loss is very minimum, right? If we stay with our stop loss, if, see, whatever stocks I am discussing, if in one or two stocks, if our stop loss get hit, right? But if to 50% stocks, or in one or two stock our target get hit, we get very good money from it, because our stop loss are very small. See, from the Ultratech cement, see, it is, I know it is, very good amount for one stocks. See, our target would be around uh, mm, uh, 23% target, almost 20%. Let's take a 20%, and our stop loss is coming around 3%, right? Our risk to reward ratio is very favorable for us, right? Similarly, if we say the Infosys, which I didn't discuss, which I have discussed, our stop loss that is coming around 2%, right? Around 2.70%, 35 rupees stop loss, and our target will be 5.62%. 73 rupees our target. Like like 1:2, we are getting easily. Similarly for ACL Tech, what are the stop loss we have? We have stop loss of around like 3.72%, and similarly if we 3.72%, and our target first target will be 1:1, above 1:1 you can say 1.1.5, 1:1.5, 1.5, and the second target that is coming around 10% around, right? So these are good risk to reward ratio we have still now. And next move to the ACC. See, Ultratech Cement has given breakout, but ACC didn't given breakout, but it is trading at very good crucial area. Like if we draw this trend line, and also here the 200-day moving average, see it is now trading taking rejection from the 200-day moving average, this pink line. If above this, if it is break with good volume candle, right, we can add on your watch list this ACC. If we get a good chance, if we get a breakout, we can play with it, and you get good amount of, we can get very good amount of target here. Above this we can we can take entry, and our stop loss will be our this candle's low, that is 1825, or the 200-day moving average, according to like whatever suits you, according to your like risk to reward. And this trend line which you can draw, it is also acting as a very good support. Okay, so above this breakout we can initiate our trade, and we can initiate long trade here. Sorry, let me remove that. And the target that we can expect, that is first target, that is 1933, and the second target will be this, that is coming around 2000 level, 2065 or 2066. And above this the 15-day moving average, if it is given breakout with good volume 200-day moving average, you can expect that it will touch the 15 days moving average as well. Okay, so this is for the ACC. And if we also mark our target and stop loss like this is our target and stop loss. And if we discuss the our risk to reward, that is coming around, see above this our reward is risk is almost not more than 1.85. Suppose you take it 2%, and our target, the first target will be 3.54%, almost 1:2, and the second target will be 10%, around 10.93%, almost 1:5, more than 1:5. So this is the target for ACC. And the last stocks that I have, that is M&M. M&M also given multiple breakout of its all-time high area. If we draw the level of this, like this, it has given breakout. There is one thing that is bad about M&M, like from here, after here it has continuously moving towards top and make continuously almost 10%, right? There is no consolidation happened here. So if it is there is consolidation happened, then we get more confirmations. But okay, above the breakout we can also initiate our trade if our auto sector play very good. We will also discuss about auto sector as well. So above this our stop loss will be, this is 1364, right, will be our stop loss. And the target that we can expect, that is this consolidation, right, this gap of the breakout around 1641 will be our uh, target for Mahindra. Or we also can initiate use the trend based fib retracement, right? For if there is also some support, we can find some resistance that is coming on, say 0.382, it is taking resistance, and above it 1487, here we also can book partial profit, and above that 1573, also here we can book partial profit as well. Okay, so this is for the M&M. And if we draw the target and stop loss, this will be our stop loss. Not this candle, it will be good if we take this, it can take. This is for M&M. And the last stock that I have, that is IRCTC. Okay, before IRCTC, quickly also look at the Nifty Motor Index. That is, if we see the motor index, where is Nifty Auto? Nifty Auto, yes, here it is. See, Nifty Auto has also given very good momentum after the breakout of 13,450 levels. It has also given very good breakout. But yes, we can expect a little bit of retracement, a little bit of profit booking in auto sector, right? And yes, according to that we can play. So yes, M&M also, if we street with our SL, uh, we have to stick with our SL, right? We don't have to be, go further, go beyond our SL, right? We have to stick with our risk to reward ratio. Above that, we can play, and this is 1300 levels will be our stop loss, right? Or 1300 level or the future video moving average. See, market didn't stay, for a long in the 13-day moving average, 50-day moving average. So this also can act as a very good support, right? So the last stocks that we can discuss is IRCTC. Why I am taking IRCTC? See, it is also corrected from the top, very well. Now it is trying to make good bottom zone, demand zone it is making, and now it has given breakout of this 15-day moving average. And if I make it a little bit zoom, see, from the last 2 weeks this has taken resistance from this line. Now it has given breakout of this 15 days moving average, right? So with the steep stop loss of this candle's low around 640 area, right, from weekly basis we can initiate our long trade here. And our target that we can expect in IRCTC around, that is 720, this zone 725, and this swing high, right, that is 765, 725 and 765. If IRCTC can reach this level, there is another pattern that will activate, like the big W pattern, right? Big W pattern 765. If it's market sustain there, then we can get further target of this level. But for now, we are taking small target. If it is, we will decide it further in this area. Whenever market coming this area, we will discuss it then, right? If we also draw the levels like this. Okay, so this is the analysis for IRCTC. And what is our risk to reward ratio? Our risk to reward is coming around, our target is around 13%, and our 40.29%, maximum 5%. Like more than 1:2 is our risk to reward ratio, right? We can initiate our trade above this level. And that's all for this, guys, for this weekly analysis of the stocks. And I will decide, in weekly basis we will give update of the stocks, like what happened in the stocks, and we should book profit or not, and we'll discuss in the next video, next upcoming weekly analysis video. But that's all for this video, and have a good day. Bye.